Once upon a time, there was a group of scientists who were fascinated by the human brain. They wanted to understand how this incredible organ worked and what made it so unique. After years of research, they compiled a list of the top 10 facts about the human brain that amazed them the most. Fact 1. The human brain weighs only about 3 pounds, but it uses up to 20% of the body's energy. Fact 2. The human brain has more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. There are estimated to be around 100 trillion neural connections in the brain. Fact 3. The brain is the fattiest organ in the body, composed of 60% fat. Fact 4. The human brain is capable of producing new neurons throughout a person's life, a process known as neurogenesis. Fact 5. The left and right hemispheres of the brain are connected by a bundle of fibers called the corpus callosum, which allows the two sides to communicate with each other. Fact 6. The human brain has the ability to reorganize itself in response to new experiences, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Fact 7. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure in the brain, plays a key role in processing emotions and fear. Fact 8. The human brain is the only known object in the universe that can study itself. Fact 9. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is responsible for decision-making, planning, and impulse control. Fact 10. The brain is more active at night than during the day, and the reason for this is still not fully understood. The scientists were amazed by these facts and continued to study the human brain, eager to unlock even more secrets about this incredible organ. As they delved deeper into the mysteries of the brain, they knew that there was still so much more to learn. But for now, they were content with the knowledge that they had gained and the incredible complexity of the human brain that they had uncovered.
The brain controls the body through a complex network of nerves and neurons. The brain sends messages to the rest of the body through the spinal cord, which is connected to the nervous system. This communication allows the brain to control various functions, such as movement, sensation, and coordination. The brain is responsible for interpreting the signals it receives from the body, which allows it to respond appropriately. For example, if you touch something hot, the nerves in your skin send a signal to your brain, which then sends a signal back to your muscles to move your hand away from the source of the heat. Additionally, the brain controls the body's involuntary functions, such as breathing, digestion, and heart rate. These functions are controlled by the autonomic nervous system, which is part of the nervous system that operates without conscious control. Overall, the brain's ability to control the body is a complex and intricate process that involves multiple systems working together seamlessly. The brain is made up of several parts that work together to control various functions of the body. Here are some of the major parts of the brain. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for conscious thought, movement, and sensory perception. Cerebellum. This part of the brain is located at the back of the skull and is responsible for coordinating movement and maintaining balance. Brainstem. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and is responsible for regulating basic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Thalamus. This part of the brain is responsible for relaying sensory and motor signals to the cerebrum. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus controls various body functions such as hunger, thirst, and body temperature. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is responsible for forming and storing memories. Amygdala. This part of the brain is involved in the processing of emotions, particularly fear and aggression. These are just a few of the major parts of the brain, and each plays an important role in controlling different aspects of the body's functions. A brain stroke, also known as a cerebral stroke or simply a stroke, is a medical condition that occurs when blood flow to the brain is disrupted, either by a blocked blood vessel or a burst blood vessel. This disruption can cause brain cells to die or become damaged, leading to various symptoms such as difficulty speaking, weakness, or paralysis.